Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the relationship between two port network parameters, H parameter in terms of Y parameters. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Two port network parameter. There are four parameters available. First one is Z parameter, open circuit impedance parameter. The second one is this Y parameter, short circuit admittance parameter. The combination of these two is the hybrid parameter H. Both open circuit and short circuit will be available. And fourth one is ABCD transmission parameters. So these are all the four parameters available. So in this video we are going to express H parameter in terms of Y parameters. So this Y parameter, this current are expressed in terms of voltage. One refer input port, two refer output port. So input port, output port current are is expressed in terms of input port voltage and output port voltage. This Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 are the admittance parameters. So in the hybrid mean both are there, V1 and I2. Input port voltage, output port current are expressed in terms of input port current and output port voltage. So that is called a hybrid parameter. So for hybrid parameter we'll take this is equation 1 and 2. Y parameter will take equation 3 and 4. Now we'll see how to get the relationship between these two parameters. Now consider the equation 3. First we are considering equation 3. We are going to modify the equation 3. So this is equation 3. I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. This Y12 V2 is brought that side, left hand side, so that it become negative. I1 minus Y12 V2, that is equal to Y11 V1. This term is brought the left hand side. Now it is rearranged. Y11 V1 equal to I1 minus Y12 V2. This term is written left hand side, this term is written right hand side, just for simplification. Now Y11 is brought in the denominator of the right hand side. So I1 is available, so this Y11 is brought in the denominator. 1 divided by Y11 I1 minus Y12 divided by Y11 V2. Now we got the expression for V1. We'll take this equation number 5. Now we'll go to the equation 4. So this is equation 4. I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So in this V1 we are going to substitute from equation 5. From equation 5 Y1 value is substituted in equation 4. Now we'll see how we are substituting. So this is the equation 4, in that V1 is replaced with from equation 5. Now Y21 is multiplied inside. So this Y21 is available commonly between these two terms, it is multiplied. So Y21 divided by Y11 I1 minus Y21 Y12 Y11 into V2. Then this term is available, Y22 V2. Right. So in these three terms, this V2 available in both this second and third term. V2 is commonly available. So we will take V2 outside. Right. So first we will write this term, Y, because here negative is there. So Y22 minus this term, Y21 Y12 divided by Y11. Now we'll take the LCM. We'll take LCM. So here we are taking LCM, so that this term is multiplied here. Y22 Y11 minus Y12 Y21 divided by Y11. So this is nothing but the determinant of Y matrix. Y22 into Y11 minus Y12 Y21 is, that can be written as delta Y, determinant of Y matrix, determinant of the admittance matrix. So we will take this equation number 6, that is I2 equal to Y21 divided by Y11 I1 plus delta Y divided by Y11 V2. So equation number 6. So we got the equation 5 and 6. We rearranged that so that we framed equation 5 and 6. Now we'll see the relationship, how to get the relationship. So now we are going to compare the equation 5 and 6, what we rewrite, with equation 1 and 2. Right. So the equation 5 what we framed is v1 equal to 1 divided by y11 I1 minus y12 divided by y11 v2. Similarly equation 6 what we framed, I2 equal to y21 divided by y11 I1 plus delta y into divided by y11 into v2. So this is equation 1, that is hybrid parameter general equation. Similarly equation 2. Now we are going to compare this. Here v1 I2 available, here also v1 I2 available, so that we can compare the coefficient of equation 5 and 6 with equation 1 and 2. Right. Now we'll compare the equation 1 with the equation 5, both because both are v1. So the coefficient of I1 is here h11. Similarly coefficient of I1 is here 1 divided by 111. So that both are equal. h11 equal to 1 divided by y11. Similarly coefficient of v2 is h12. Here coefficient of v2 is y12 divided by y11. So both are equal. Right? h12 is minus y12 divided by y11. Yes, minus is there. Now we'll compare equation 6 and 2. Here both are I2. Coefficient of I1 is h21. That is equal to y21 divided by y11. It's written here, y21 divided by y1. Similarly, the coefficient of v2 is h22. Here coefficient of v2 is del y divided by y11. So del y divided by y11. Now we got the relationship. This h parameter expressed in terms of y parameter. So this h11 is equal to this term. h12 is equal to this term. h21 is equal to this term. h22 is equal to this term. So we got the relationship. So in this video we discussed what are the parameters, two-port network parameters available, and what are the general equation of h parameter and y parameter. Then we rearranged the equation. So we got equation 5 and 6. So that is compared with 1 and 2, and we got the relationship. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination. So similarly the all relationships are available, all four parameters, that is z parameter, y parameter, h parameter, abcd parameters. So z parameters in terms of y, h and abcd, separate video available. Similarly y parameter in terms of z, h and abcd, their videos also available. Similarly hybrid parameters in terms of other parameters, that video also available. Finally abcd parameter in terms of other three parameter relationship with a detailed explanation is available. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.